The weather also played a role in today's polling problems. The wind knocked out power in 14 districts this afternoon. That left some voters to cast their ballot in the dark. Kristen Emery is live with more. Kristen.
Well, Susan, the key was that some of those voting machines in the polling places where the power went out, they have battery backups inside them. So when winds gusted upwards of 37 miles per hour this afternoon, knocking out power, it did not deter voters. High winds damaged several transformers Tuesday afternoon, knocking out power to poles in Baldwin, Whitehall, Pleasant Hills, and North Versailles. Gusts also blew out power to Plum High School.
The wind took out a transformer up here on the hill over on Coxcomb Hill, and it took out everything. And then the school generator didn't come on. So there's a problem with the generator, the emergency backup generator.
Voting machines kept working on battery power, but not very quickly.
They were voting, but they were voting very slowly, probably half hour, 45 minutes.
Did it impact? Did people wait? Were they complaining?
They waited. Nobody left.
Power was restored by dinner time, but long lines lingered as voters turned out in huge numbers in the evening.
About an hour, 15 minutes.
Did you plan on it taking that long?
I anticipated it, but didn't quite expect it that long.
About an hour and 20 minutes tonight.
Did you think it would be that long?
I did not. I don't think I waited that long for the presidential election.
Now, in all, those power outages knocked out power to about 2,000 customers around the area. And in many of those polling places that were affected, they relied on generators or the batteries in those machines until service was restored. As far as the lines that we saw, especially at Plum High School, many of the officials and many voters say they have waited up to about an hour and they were still in line in spots when the polls closed at 8. Many folks say they haven't ever seen returns this heavy or voters in line that long in any midterm election in their lifetimes. Reporting live, Kristen Emery, KDKA TV News.